seen a bunch of dozens of land teams now. There's land teams that are successful. There's land teams that come into this who crush. I had a dude make $725,000 in 4 months profit. Dispo got sold, realized profit, 390 of that, or almost 400 grand of that realized. No joke. People come in and they do that randomly. That's rare, obviously. People also come in and they flub it. And I know the difference. It is a bias towards action. It's getting into the flow of what we do and buying in and following up these leads aggressively, treating them like they're real, trying to close them, tugging them over the line. The clients who come in and ask questions about, oh, this and that about the lead, and I'm thinking about it and I'm doing some more research, and then just call them, get them on the phone, drag them over the line with a bias towards action, get a contract in their hand, get the deal. It's just a mindset. If you're a land investor, you are resonating with what I'm talking about right now, or you are not. If you resonate with the idea of what it feels like to just tenaciously track down a deal and close it with extreme prejudice, then I'm not talking about overlooking due diligence. I'm talking about getting it done. The way that I can tell someone's like that is how quickly they onboard, how they respond in Slack, how quickly they follow up to leads when we drop them into the ready to call column, what their notes look like in the CRM. Those people close deals. Those people crush. And those are the type of people that we look to onboard. I don't onboard everyone. I actually just kick someone out today. I didn't kick him out. I just said, hey, sorry, we can't work together. It's not a great fit. Like, you have a great business and how you do things is just a little bit different. We have an exceptionally fast feedback loop. Things that might take other teams a week to get done, we want to get done in an hour or by the end of today. There's no reason to, hey, by next Monday, we'll have this. It's okay. If we're going to do this, we'll get it to you now. That bias towards action helps us be successful. And that is something that we look for in teams that we partner up with, because ultimately, like, I'm not looking for a bunch of people who are paying $3,000 a month and they're there for 3 months and they churn out because they can't handle the lead flow. We built this because I'm looking for 10 to 20 partners who all have 6 to 10 callers a piece. And we are just cranking world-class operations at a really high level and just continuing to get better. That's what we're looking to do. So if that sounds sexy to you, then book the call. Actually, sexy is not the right word. I don't want people booking a call because that sounds sexy, because we might get some funny Google meetings going on. If that sounds good to you, book a call. If you're an entrepreneur who is looking to do something along these lines, book a call.